Looking for a budget-friendly dash cam in 2025? You've come to the right place. We'll break down the top contenders to help you make an informed choice without breaking the bank. Stay tuned to find the best value for your vehicle. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Miofive S1 Ultra. This is an impressive 4K dash cam that delivers high-end features at an affordable price. Launched in 2024, it has a retail price of $199.99, but is often discounted. It includes a 64GB microSD card and offers Wi-Fi, GPS, HDR, Bluetooth, a 3-inch display, and parking mode. The design feels premium with a carbon-style front panel, and video quality is sharp, especially in good lighting. The front camera records in 4K at 30 frames per second, while the rear manages 25 frames per second in 4K. However, 4K footage results in large file sizes, about 4 hours of storage on the included card. For those who don't need rear recording, the front camera is available separately, making the Miofive S1 Ultra a compelling choice for high-resolution dash cam users. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. This is an excellent choice for a compact budget dash cam, offering impressive full HD video in a tiny form factor. Despite its small size, it includes an integrated polarizing lens to reduce windshield reflections and has switched to a landscape orientation for its 3rd generation. Installed behind your rear-view mirror, the Mini 3 is nearly invisible. Garmin's voice control system makes it easy to capture photos or save video clips hands-free, while features like parking mode with hard wiring, Wi-Fi connectivity, and the well-designed Garmin Drive app enhance usability. A standout addition is the live video feed, viewable through the app. But this requires hard wiring, a data connection, and a Garmin Vault cloud storage subscription. While not essential for everyone, it adds value for those seeking extra functionality. Number 3. Thinkware F70. This is a great budget-friendly dash cam, offering a compact design and reliable full HD recording at 30 frames per second. Its 2.1-megapixel CMOS sensor delivers clear footage, while the 140-degree lens provides a decent field of view for a sub-100 camera. Instead of a battery, it uses a supercapacitor to safely save footage when power is cut. Optional extras include a GPS antenna for speed and location tracking, as well as a hard wiring kit for enabling parking mode. For those looking for an affordable, no-frills dash cam from a reputable brand, the Thinkware F70 is a solid choice. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam 47. Garmin's Dash Cam 47 offers exceptional value for money, delivering high-quality full HD footage with HDR at a budget price. Despite its compact design, it includes features like Wi-Fi for easy video transfer, GPS for tracking speed and location, and parking mode with the optional OBD cable for constant power. One standout feature is Garmin's Vault cloud storage, which automatically uploads footage to the cloud after detecting a collision, allowing you to access recordings for up to 7 days for just £4.99 a month. It also includes a reliable voice control system, excellent magnetic windshield mounts, and optional safety features such as forward collision alerts, lane departure warnings, and speed camera notifications, making the Dash Cam 47 a solid choice for budget-conscious drivers. Number 5. Nextbase Piqo. This is a fantastic budget-friendly option, providing full HD footage with HDR. Its compact size doesn't limit its features. It boasts Wi-Fi for seamless video transfer, GPS for location and speed tracking, and parking mode, with an optional OBD cable for constant power. A standout is the Garmin Vault Cloud Storage, which automatically uploads footage after a collision is detected, offering access to recordings for up to 7 days for £4.99 per month. Additionally, it offers voice control, a magnetic windshield mount for easy installation, and safety features like forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and speed camera notifications, making the Dash Cam 47 an excellent value for budget-conscious drivers. So, which is the best? The Garmin Dash Cam 47 takes the crown, offering exceptional features like 1440p recording and GPS, all for a great price. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.